Jai Hind. Get ready for Constitution. We, the people of India, resolve to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and secure all its citizens. Equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote.
Today I perform Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a founder of Maratha Empire. He was born on 19 February 1630 in Maharashtra. His father's name was Shahaji Bhosle. His mother's name was Jijabai. His birthday celebrated as Shiv Jayanti. He was dead on 3rd April 1680. Thank you.
My name is Pranav Sachin Thorat. Respect to principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am a tree. विक्रम धुमाळ. मी त्या तिसरीची विद्यार्थिनी आहे. मी आज तुमच्या सर्वांच्या समोर राजमाता जिजाऊ बनलेली आहे. जाधवांची कन्या, भोसलेंची सून, शिवांची माता, भाग्य कोणते अजून. हिंदवी स्वराज्याचा पताका अभिमानाने डोलते. लक्ष देऊन ऐका मी जिजाऊ बोलते. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Today I am going to speak a few lines of about Savitribai Phule. Savitri Phule was a first female teacher of India. Savitri Phule was Kavya Shankar Yadav from standard third. Today is 14th November and I wish you very happy Children's Day. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd January. Thank you. My name is Adira Santosh Dhawan. I will speak few lines about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was the queen of Jhansi. She was born on 19th November 8. My name is Smith Ramdan Tambe and I perform about
चालू करा.
My school name is Venuta English Medium School. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Bhosle speech. हत्ती घोड़े तो तलवारें, ओष्ठ तेरी सारी है. जंजीर में झगड़ा मेरा राजा, अभी सब पे भारी है. थैंक यू. Good morning. Today Super Mom dedicated to my mom. Good morning everyone. My name is Arnav Maheshwar. I am doing Sant Tukaram Maharaj. Thank you.
My name is Aditi Praveen Mandrukar from Standard 4. I make a tree. I share with you myself. The tree was give you flower, give you shelter, food and
Namaskara. Asurada Vignesh. Shada. Idli, sambar, chutney, dosha, vada.
everyone. My name is Ishika. Respected teachers, principal, and my dear friends. Today I am talking about water. Water is basic needed in our life. There is no life without water. Our planet is called blue planet because it is covers 71% water. Water 1% water is used for us. The human body is about 60% water. Water is used. My name is Shunari Sachin Bhola from Standard 4. अंगणातली तुळस आणि गोट्यातली गाय घरातली माय यांच्यावर जर कोणी वाकडी नजर टाकली तर त्याची गय केली जाणार नाही. थँक्यू. शूरुद्र संतोष यादव. मी पोवाडा म्हणणार आहे. शिवाजी महाराजांची कीर्ती बेबान होती. महाराजांची कीर्ती